Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a motivational video and start making money with it and monetize it on YouTube or Facebook. So before you can create a motivational video, you need a script. Okay, so go to ChatGPT or Gemini AI to generate the script for you. Just give the title to them and tell them to generate like 5,000 words or 2,000, 3,000 words of or 10-minute videos script. Any script that you want, just tell them to do it. Or if you don't want to use the Gemini or the ChatGPT or Cloud, I normally use Cloud to generate a lot of scripts. It's very powerful. If you don't want to use any of them, you just have to head over to Flex Clip. The link is at the description, so make sure you click on the link inside the description and sign up for free. Okay, so when you sign up for free and you go to home page, you will see AI tools. Okay, you will see AI tools. So here's the AI tools. So click on it, then you click on video at the top here. Click on video at the top here, then you scroll down. Okay, then you scroll down, then you select AI text to full video. AI text to full video, so just click on it. It will take some few seconds to load. So it will lead you to this page. You can generate a script with AI. So this AI is also powerful. You just have to put your topic here and ask AI to do whatever you want it to do for you. Or you can just scroll down. If you are already having the script, just scroll down and paste it here. Okay. With this one, you will need a 5,000 characters. The maximum that you can take is 5,000 characters. Okay. And you can use this one if you want to reduce costs. So you can use the base script. But if you want the AI to generate it for you, you're going to spend like 0.5 coin. I'm having like 5,000 coin, and this 0.5 coin is nothing, so I can just generate it. Okay, so I'll paste my script here. Okay, I'll paste my script here. So this one is my script. Then I'll just click on generate. Okay, click on generate. It will take some few seconds to load. Good, so our script is now ready. It has been put into different scene. Okay, it has been put into different screen. So let me move this one to the top. So when you are okay with the script, what you have to do next is that click on next. Okay, click on next. This is where the magic is going to happen. So make sure you select the media of your choice. Okay, if you want photos, you can choose photos. If you want cinematic, it means videos will be playing whilst the motivational video is on playing. Okay, you can choose to these shoots, vector 3D or anime. I really like anime and sketch. Okay, for the motivational video. So for this video, I'm going to try choose sketch. Okay, I'm going to try sketch. You can choose any of them. Okay, but if you want a video to play whilst the motivational is ongoing, you have to select cinematic. Okay, so I'm going to choose sketch, or you can just choose stock. Okay, you can just choose stock if you like, but I'll choose sketch. Okay, I'll choose sketch. So the next thing you have to do, you have to select the ratio. Make sure the ratio is on 16 by 9 for YouTube video and 9 by 16 for TikTok video. Okay. Then the most important thing here is the voice. Okay. Make sure you change the voice to David's voice. For the motivational video, David's David's voice work better. Okay. So just scroll down and you will see David's voice, David's male voice. So I think is at the top here. Good. So David's multilingual voice is the best. I tested all of them and I read this one is good for me. So I'll just click on it. Then the next thing I have to do is I have to select a subtitle. Okay, select a subtitle. This one the subtitle. So you can choose any of them and I'm gonna choose something like this. I'll choose this one. So when I'm done choosing, then I'll just click on generate. Okay. When I click on generate, it will take some few seconds to load, then it will lead me to. So now our video is ready. Okay. So when the video is ready, the first thing you have to do is that you have to check the background music. Okay. So this long one is the background music. And these short are the audios. Okay, so let me play this video and see whether the background music is okay.
Invest in their mental and emotional health. This is the habit that gets talked about least, but matters enormously.
Good. So the background music is okay, but if it's not okay, just click on it and reduce the volume. Okay, you can reduce the volume to 10 or 17, any of your choice, but make sure it has not exceed 20. Okay, make sure you reduce it downwards. Okay. So when you are okay with it, with the sound, then the next thing you have to do is that you just have to click on export. Okay. Click on export. When you click on export, your video will download in some few seconds. Okay. It will export in some few seconds. I already exported this video, that's why I did not click on export. And sometimes when you are creating the video, you would like to create more videos. Okay, and this one can create a maximum of 5 minutes video at a go. So when you create the first one finish, you just have to copy the second script, okay, and go back and paste it. For example, if I want to create the my second video, and this one is my script that I and this one is my script, I will just go on and I'll just go on and copy the rest of the script that I want to. For example, if I choose this script, if I choose this script to create the first video, and the second time that I want to create the second video, I'll just come and copy the second script. Okay, I'll just come and copy the second script and then head over to my browser. Then head over to my browser. Then I'll move to the AI homepage again. Then I'll follow the same procedure, click on AI tools, then I'll click on video, then I click on hot AI test to full video. Okay, when I click on it, then it will lead me to generate and so on. Okay, it will lead me to generate. Flex Clip is very powerful AI tools. I really like it. You can do a lot of things with it. I'm really enjoying it. So make sure you sign up to and try to get the premium subscription to enjoy more. You can see I'm even using FlexScript to record this video. You can use FlexScript to do screen recording. Okay, it's very very powerful. Good. So you just have to paste your second script here. When you are done with the script, okay, when you are done with the script, for example, when I paste my second video script here, I'll just click on next. Okay, I'll just click on next. When I click on next, it will lead me to this stage again. Okay, then I'll then choose the mode. Okay, I'll then choose the mode. The mode that I'll choose is the sketch. Okay, I really like the sketch for the motivational video. Then the voice is the most important one here, the model and then the voice. So make sure your voice is on Davis Multilingual. Okay, make sure your voice is on Davis Multilingual. Then you choose your subtitle. Then you click on generate. Okay, when you click on generate, it's going to lead you to this side. Your video will be generate again. Then you test the voice. Okay, then you test the voice here. Make sure you check the volume, whether the volume of the background music is okay. If it's not okay, then you decrease it. Okay. If it's too high, then you decrease it. So when you are okay with this one, the when you are okay with the background music, then you click on export. Okay. Then you click on export, then you click on this arrow at the top here to export. Okay. Then you export. When you click on export, then you're going to start exporting. I already exported this video already. So this is how we create a video on FlexClip. So when you are done with the video, you can now join them using FlexClip. You can join them using FlexClip or CapCut or any video editing tools that you want to use. And if you want to use FlexScript to join the videos that you have created, you just have to go to the home page again. Then you click on create a video. Okay, when you click on create a video, then you select the resolution that you want to use. Okay, the ratio. Okay, since it's YouTube and Facebook, you just have to select 16 by 9. So when you select 16 by 9, it will lead you to the editing side. Flex Clip is very very powerful, so make sure you like it or join it. Okay, it will load fast depending on your network. Okay, everything is very cool here. I really like Flex Clip. So when you come to the video editing size, you can just browse to get your video, or you can just drag and drop here. Okay, if you don't want to do this one, you can just cancel this one. Then you come to media. Okay, when you come to media, then you click on upload. Okay, then you click on upload. So most of the videos are on download. Okay, most of the video are on download. So you can just click on download, then you see your videos here. Okay, so if I want to add, I'll just add them. I'll just add them one by one. Okay, so if I want to add this one, I'll just click on it, then add it, then click on open, then add it. Okay, you can see it's going to transcode. It will transcode first before it will be available. Now you can see it's now ready. Okay, so when it's ready, then you click on hot plus. Click on plus, or you can just drag and drop it here. You can just drag and drop. So here I'll just click on plus. Life is simple, so I'll just click on plus. So if I want the size of the video to be long, to be short, I'll just click on zoom, zoom in. Okay, then I can now add a second video. So I can now add a second video, which is this one. Okay, which is this one. I'll just click on open. Okay, it's also transcoding. Okay, this one is also transcoding. So when this one is also ready, then you click on the plus sign. Okay, and it's also going to add itself to this one. Okay, they say transcoding for, I think it's because of the network. Okay, so when it's ready, then you click on the plus sign, then, or you can just drag and drop on this plus, then it will add automatically to itself. Okay, so this is how we add videos on Flex Clip. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Before I end this video, when your video is ready, just click on export. Okay, just click on export to export your video automatically. Okay, click on export and it will be download automatically. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be creating more videos on how to make money online using Flex Clip or other tools. Okay, I already created a video on how to create a music video and start making money with it, and the video is at my channel, so make sure you check it, and so that you can also create AI music channel and start monetizing them. So thank you guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.